Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Alright, so in today's video, let's take a look at some really beautiful, stylish, shabby chic bedrooms. Now, you know what? The shabby chic design style, it's really polarizing in a way. Some people absolutely love the simplicity of the decor, the weathering, the aged look of the wood, and they find it peaceful and very tranquil. And other people find it way too feminine and just really not practical at all for a home. So regardless of which camp that you fall into, you just cannot deny the fact that the shabby chic style has made huge waves in the interior design world over the last 2 to 3 decades. And today in 2023, this elegant feminine style is more popular probably than ever before, especially in spaces for women like she shed areas and just rooms, craft rooms that are really just for us and our rooms. This seems to be a really popular style to decorate that room in. A lot of homeowners and even renters are really increasingly gravitating towards this really charming, it just feels good. This style just feels good. It looks beautiful. Now, if you want to try out a shabby chic bedroom, now is definitely the time. With all we have going on in the world, now is just the best time to make your bedroom feel relaxed and soothing and peaceful and just calm. And a shabby chic design style is the perfect way to achieve that. It's not the only way, it's just a great way. Now, if you want to create your own shabby chic oasis in your bedroom, the first place to start is definitely your wall colors. Lights, neutrals, and pastels are really the base for this decor style. You'll be able to spruce it up a bit with some metallics, maybe, more so silver just for the elegance of it. You can go gold if you want, but a lot of times gold is really bold and in your face, and that's not what this style is. Also, prints will make your space a little catchier and a little more romantic if you are going for that. And of course, there should be floral. So a lot of your prints, your wall decor, even if you want to do a wallpaper or a large wall covering, go for a really soft, feminine pastel style floral. I think it will tie in great depending on your other decor, and it will just work. Now, a lot of times you can fuse your shabby chic with other design styles if you want to go that way. For example, a shabby chic farmhouse, a shabby chic, rustic, or even just shabby chic and vintage together. They all work and flow seamlessly to create a really beautiful room. So let me know, is this a home decor style you could see living happily in your home? I am so interested in hearing what you have to say. Like I said, it's quite polarizing. Some people love it, some people not so much. Let me know where you stand in the comment section. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.